We're taking a look at the Columbia River Knife and Tool spare tool. This handy little item right there. Everything you see here, this can work as a pry bar, a nail puller, a bottle opener. We've got a ruler on here. This side is in inches. The other side is in millimeters on there. Not sure why you would need that really. Back here there's a file built into the back edge of this here. There's a 6mm wrench. Also serves as a driver for the included tool in here. This is just held in place with a little rubber sleeve that's in the end there. Just has a flathead screwdriver on one side, Phillips head on the other side. Sticks down into the slot just like that. Pretty sharp kind of razor edge to the front of that there, which is pretty good for cutting through a lot of material that you might use an X-Acto knife or something for. You can run a lanyard down through this hole if you wanted to. Might help remove it from the sheath a little bit easier. The sheath here is made out of molded Zytel, kind of a Kydex-like material. A couple of screws through here to hold this back belt clip on, so it looks like you could mount it horizontal on a belt, or I'm sure you could probably flip that and bolt it to the bottom two screws and mount it vertical there. There's holes through the rivets in here, so you could always strap it with some 550 cord onto a pack or other gear if you wanted to have it there. Fits in there nice and snug and kind of tensions in on that little screw that's through there. Pops into a little detent in the inside of the sheath there. One thing with these, be careful of the bottle opener here. This little corner here is really super sharp. I've known a couple people just handling this and playing around that have got little nicks and cuts on their fingers just from that, with it in the sheath with the blade covered there. Overall on this you're looking at about 6 1/4 inches overall, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of room if you were going to throw it into your pack. And it's pretty light. It only weighs in at 1.6 ounces for the tool itself and 1 ounce for the sheath. And that is the Columbia River Knife and Tool spare tool.